Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check in online on Swiss Air. The first thing I'd like you to do is to, of course, launch your Swiss Air account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Swiss Air? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type swiss.com, and that's going to take you right into the official website for Swiss Air. Once you get in there, at the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find the login/registration button. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account or to log in. Now, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Swiss Air. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to check in online on Swiss Air. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have these tabs, which include Book and Prepare, you have My Booking, and of course you have Discover Swiss. Head over to My Booking, click that, and you're going to find this window with more extended options. Now you have the Manage category and you have the Extra Services. Head over to Manage, and under Manage there you have Check-in, Flight Status, Manage Bookings, Seat Reservations, Rebook, Cancellation and Refund, Passenger Receipt, Delayed and Damaged Baggage. Head over to Check-in and click on Check-in, and that's going to take you right into the check-in window. From there, I'm going to show you what exactly to do. Over here, you can do your online check-in and automated check-in. Here are a couple of things that you can do to check in. Your online check-in, automated check-in, depending on the one that you choose. But here is how you can check in. So log in to set all your bookings. So here you're going to have to enter in your booking reference or your ticket number, which can be found in your ticket given to you or sent to you via email, of course, after placing the booking for that ticket. So once you have entered your booking reference or your ticket number, in here you're going to have to enter your last name, which is very mandatory. So enter your booking reference and your ticket number and enter your last name as per booking. Please enter your last name as displayed in your booking confirmation, which is found in your email. So after doing that, go ahead and click on Find Bookings. And once you click on that, follow through the step-by-step processes to check in. Now here are the processes. Log on, make selection, receive, and drop off. And you will be good to go. These are the steps that you can take to check in on Swiss Air. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.